Hey everyone, welcome back. This is Mike Rose, Kona 2 Max on YouTube. These are some cool videos of exploring through the years. My cousin firing an AK, my old Jeep, my Jeep, where Nicole and I got married. There's my cousin's old Jeep in Anvil, my Jeep in tan in front of it. There was his first day with his Jeep, had like 10 miles on it. There's my mom and I at our wedding. So some really nice pictures through here. It was about 3 minutes of video of exploring some really cool spots. My uncle, cousins, it's my buddy and I riding dirt bikes and motorcycles through the mountains here. That's at Doe Mountain in Tennessee, outside Mountain City, which was awesome. Highly recommend it. Zoe in a vineyard. This is Bottom Creek Gorge outside of Roanoke, Virginia. It's a really cool old Civil War deserter camp, basically, way up in the mountains at the headwaters of the Roanoke River. That's the Souter Baptist Church. Mountain Lake Wilderness area outside of Christiansburg. Some beautiful mountain ranges here. Really a very awesome spot to be. There's Zoe and I in the Jeep on the New River, checking out some property. Always out and about through the years, especially living in Virginia, not far from the mountains. Had a lot of great access to water, creeks, hiking, woods, shooting ranges, everything, you name it. The Mountain Valley Pipeline, 42-inch gas pipeline. I went and found some survey stakes in the woods one time, not far from my parents' house. Just checking out properties, exploring all throughout Virginia. This is me at the shooting range with an AK. This is hiking up McCaffrey's Knob outside of Roanoke. That's the first shelter. So here's my dad at the top of it. Some really nice views. Went up there in April with Zoe. Had a great time. Good hike, good strenuous hike for sure, but some beautiful views, very rewarding to get to the top of that. There's Zoe probably eating a biscuit or something at the top of the mountain. Yeah, my dad gave her a Bojangles biscuit, so there's the proof. There's Nicole and I on Stone Mountain in North Carolina. So everyone, just thanks for watching this. This is a cool video. This is brought to you by Apple Moments. So this actually created it. The AI figured, hey, these are mountains. Let's make a video of it. So pretty cool. Some drone video outside of Boone, North Carolina, as well as Volkswagen Chattanooga, some drone video of where they're going to set up a new production line, and then Zoe at the dog park. So everyone enjoy. Thanks for watching. This is Kona 2 Max on YouTube. Mike Rose. Everyone enjoy.
Hi, pups.